So AI credit repair is revolutionary. It's going to help more people build credit and get access to funding and loans that they could never get loans before. AI credit repair and credit building is going to analyze your credit report, give you personalized deletion letters so that you can send it off or you can send it from our back office right from home. The AI credit analyzes your credit, and we also help you to budget your money. We also show you how to report your rent so that your credit score can also go up. Then we also show you how to maintain your credit. And if you're interested in wills and trust and budgeting, we also have in our system for you. Plus, we have industry giants that's been in the finance, credit repair, and funding business for over 30 years, guiding you. So the new AI credit repair system is going to help you build your credit. So if you want to buy a house, you want to buy a car, or if you want to get lower interest rates, because credit is everything in America, you will get low interest rates on your credit cards, but you got to start repairing your credit now. AI credit repair analyzes everything for you. It gives you the letters personalized to you. You can send it right from our back office. It will send it out for you, or you can send them yourself. So if you're interested in our AI credit repair, make sure you get with the person that sent you this video and make sure that you start your credit repair journey or your AI credit repair journey today.